might need to get one of those, huh? I don't know if somebody might have left something on in the car or what. It's up here.
Okay, thank you.
I might need to get one of those. And all I have to do is just keep it charged?
Mm-hmm. I think you just need to get another battery and you won't have to worry about that. You eliminate all that.
It's the first time he did that though.
Really?
Yeah.
The battery looks pretty old.
It looks old?
Yeah.
I ain't had it in a couple months.
He had number a couple months.
All that shit look dusty up under there. I don't know.
Crank it. Yeah, your battery just looks old. Look like it's a couple years old. I mean, I don't know. You just bought it from where?
I got the refurbished.
Refurbished?
But I only had it within about 3 months.
Yeah.
4 months. I'm gonna just go grab another.
Get your, buy your new battery. Don't get a refurbished battery.
Don't get a refurbished?
Nah, get your new one. You can afford no brand new battery?
No.
Battery? This battery probably about $100, $120 at O'Reilly's. I'm more than sure you can get that battery for about, even Walmart will sell you this battery for around $100.
Okay, I'll go check it out.
Yeah, go try Walmart.
Because I was thinking 300.
No.
Okay.
No, go to Walmart.
All right. I got to sign anything?
No, you're good.
Okay.
I'm recording, so you're good.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You too, all right?